All right, time for legs and booty. You don't need a chair. You don't need anything but your good attitude and your smile. Okay, here we go. Whatever you can do, do. Watch your knees, watch your booty, stick it out. Make sure you shake what God gave you. Here we go. All right, here we go. We're gonna start with regular squats. Legs shoulder width apart. Here we go. 8 of them. Ready? Down. Stick out and push. Here. Push. Go as low as you want to. Here we go. 4 and 3. This is my workout partner. 2 and 1. We're gonna lift. Here we go. Down. Lift. This side. Lift. Lead with that heel. Lift. Yep. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. Yep, take it to a plie. Here we go, plie. Down, watch your knees. Down, hold. Down, hold. Down. Come on. Let's do 4 more. 4, 3, 2. You know what's coming next. Hold it here. 8 pulses. 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on, 3, 2. There's my cat. Yep. Hold. Come on. I know. Come on. For 4, 3, 2. Shake it out. Get ready. We're starting over. Regular push. Push out. Push those hips out. 4 more. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. We're ready to lift. Heel. Heel. Come on. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Let's do those skaters. Skaters. Down, up, down, wide step, down, wide step. Come on. Woo! 4 more. 4 and 3 and 2. Last one. We're not done plie. Here we go. Up, down, and up, down, and up. 4 more. 4 and 3. Another burn in. 2. Hold it here for 8, 7, 6. Come on. 5. I know. 4, 3, 2. Shake them out. Woo! Yeah. You love it. You love it. Here we go. One leg back. Here we go. Straight down, straight up. Down, up. Set the tummy in here. Come on. 4 more this side. 4, 3, 2. Other side. Here we go. Deep breath. Here we go. 8, 7. Suck a tummy in. 5 and 4 and 3 and 2. Woo! And 1. I lost it there. Let's do those skaters. Only 8 of them. Here's 6 and 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Take it for a plie. No. Toes forward. Toes forward. Come on. 7 and 6. 5, 4, 3. Come on. 2. Last one. Here we go. Hold it down. Yeah. Good job. Woo! All right. Good job, you guys.